Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious gummy bears using gelatin powder. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 types of gelatin, unflavored and flavored, along with sugar, corn syrup, and water. Don't forget your gummy bear molds and a saucepan. Having everything measured out and ready to go will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple recipe is perfect for a fun kitchen project, yielding a delightful treat in just a few steps. Now, let's get mixing. In your saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of water, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar has completely dissolved. Next, slowly whisk in 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder, ensuring there are no lumps. Finally, add 1 3-ounce packet of your favorite flavored gelatin, stirring until the mixture is perfectly smooth and well combined. This step is crucial for a consistent gummy texture. With your delicious mixture ready, it's time to fill those molds. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your gummy bear molds, filling each cavity almost to the top. Be precise to ensure uniform shapes. Once all the molds are filled, transfer them to the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 30 minutes or until they are completely firm. This cooling period is essential for the gummies to set properly, giving them that classic chewy texture we all love. Congratulations, your homemade gummy bears are ready. Gently pop them out of their molds. If you like, you can dust them with a little extra sugar for an added touch of sweetness and to prevent sticking. To keep your delightful treats fresh, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will remain delicious for up to 2 weeks, though they might not last that long. Enjoy your perfectly chewy, flavorful homemade gummy bears.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.